7. About to come up behind.
Okay, drivers, the pace car's in turn 2. Bring it up around in now, please. Bring it right up, thanks. We're trying to get another car out. Bring it up.
Onto the start chute. Any number is going to be minus this heat race, but in fact he is here now. So any of the Lombard Transports SF 36 car about to get pushed off. And see the car fires up. And it does. There's a good sign. So in theory it should come up and start out of position to on the front row. Second row on the inside, Darren. Darren's outside. We're number 98. Third row on the inside. 68 high ticket entry. Brendan Chittenfield. It's outside. New South Wales 11.
We're going yellow out. Bunch it up, please. Bunch it up. Let's bring it to the white line, thanks.
Start race number 7. Coming around, green flag in the air, 10 laps.
Yellow drivers going yellow. Yellow drivers. We don't go 3 wide and the 2 front cars come to the white line and go at the same time, please.
So we'll do that all over again. As we get the car to settle down. Second row, Hickman on the inside, on the outside, Dukas. Third back on the third.
2 front cars bring it even to the white line, thanks.
Outside. Charity light, green flag. Ready now for race number 2.
Number 36 yellow. Well done, drivers. Okay, in 36 we'll get you to pull up for a driver interview and V68 to the scales. Thank you.
Dale Walsh, but what about it, folks? Put your hands together for the New South Wales number 36 car of Eddie Lombard, as Eddie will pull up down on the infield as he does so right next to Gavin. We'll wait for Eddie to remove his helmet. Eddie Lombard, respectable 11.125. So an 11.125 seconds is best lap. Eddie Lombard, your heat race winner.